now I'm gonna cut the chilies. I'm gonna cut them open. Gonna get the seeds out of them first. I'm gonna open them up. Kind of dump the seeds out of them. See the seeds? Alright, let me dump the seeds out right quick. Dump the seeds out. Alright, y'all, this is what we're gonna do. I used to do this at this restaurant I used to work at in Mendocitas. Cutting this up. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna go cut these chilies up. Once we cut them up, replace this with this other seasoning. Once you do that, it's gonna be like a. I know the seeds are the hottest, hotter than the skin, so I like jalapenos, but chilies are pretty good. So once we do that, we'll take that, move to the side. Now we're gonna take our meat and put our meat in the crock pot. Got the crock pot on low. Take that, throw our meat in there first. Do that. Once you take the meat, because we don't want it to cook all the way, we just had it cooking just to brown it up. Because it goes straight up. That's what we were looking for. Do that. And then we'll add the rest of the ingredients in. We're gonna add the onion. We had 2 cups of onion. Cut it up. We have garlic. A tablespoon and a half of garlic. Minced garlic. Fresh minced garlic, not the one out the bottle. 3 basil leaves. We'll use a teaspoon and a half of cilantro. Green bell pepper, use a half a cup. Green bell pepper. A half a cinnamon stick. Throw that in there. You'll use we'll use 2 cubes of chicken bouillon. 2 cubes. Use a cup and a half of tomatoes, Roman tomatoes. We use some of this chili right here. Throw them in there. Alright, that should be it for that. We're gonna throw a little garlic powder. We use about a tablespoon and a half. The paprika, a teaspoon. A little black pepper. Got a teaspoon and a half. And we go add chicken broth. We'll add a cup and a half of chicken broth. Alright. Now we're gonna let this cook overnight. And you'll see all that sexy goodness. Alright. Throw that on. 10 hours, low. Come back to it. And one more thing. With 1.5 cup of water. Add that to it. We'll come back to this sexiness right here, y'all. And it makes its own juice, so don't have to worry about that. Once you put the chicken broth, then you put the water, come back to it the next day, or a couple of hours from now, to make its own juice. It's gonna look sexy. You'll see. I'll see y'all in a little bit. Are we finished? Check it out. Some Birria tacos and the consomme. Looking delicious. With that KJ flair. Alright, y'all, look. If y'all want to see how I made it, check me out on Instagram. And thank y'all for watching. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And I'll see you again in KJ's Kitchen. Remember, stay hungry, my friends. Love y'all. I'm out.